Hello guys, welcome to our channel Swatna and Ran.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel Swapna Ron. Today Ron is going to make a science experiment. Right Ron? Yes? So, his father bought a Crayola brand color chemistry. So we can make a 50 experiments with this. So let's see. I'll unbox this. These are the things we got in that box. So let's see the experiments, what we can do from this. This is the booklet that we got it from the box, and these are the different experiments that we can do it from out of this. Experiment 2, 3, 4, like that they have given the instructions so that we can go through this. So let's see the first experiment. So we got these colors, these ink colors, and they have given couple of pots, empty pots, so that we can mix the colors.
So guys, there are 6.
Here like magenta and yellow are the real primary colors that are used to recreate all the other colors. So for like, did you know that like people colors have a temperatures? Some primary colors like yellow are considered warm, while others are considered hot like magenta. What happens if we mix warm and hot colors together? Let's see. Cap.
I want the cap.
Yeah. And put 10 drops in the pot. 10 drops. 10 drops.
Ready?
Only in one pot.
Oh, here.
Yeah, you can put 10 drops there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Enough. 10. Okay, now take the yellow color. Repeat the same 10 drops in the same. Yeah. No. In that. You are learning here how the colors will get changed. Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. 10 drops. 1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9,
enough.
10.
Okay. Now take the brush and mix it.
Okay.
Slowly. Did you see? Wait. Which color it turned out?
Red.
Red color?
Yeah.
Is it red color, Ronnie?
I think so.
Good. Yeah. So magenta and yellow color gives you red color. Okay. Go ahead.
I'm just.
So you're doing.
Yeah.
You're coloring the hat with red color, Ronnie?
Yeah.
Good. Now Ron, mix 9 drops of yellow.
Yeah. 1. Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Only 1 drop. Okay. Only 1 drop of magenta. Now we'll see. Put the cap. Now we'll see Now we'll see the color yellow. Sorry, orange. Okay.
Look.
It's turned into orange. Okay. Oh, so when you add 9 drops of yellow ink and 1 drop of magenta ink, then it will get turned to orange color. Now we are taking a cyan color with yellow ink. Okay, Ron?
Yes.
So mix 5 drops of cyan ink and 5 drops of yellow.
So 5 and
5 and 5.
so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay.
5 of yellow.
Put the cap first. 5 drops of yellow.
Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Okay. Put the cap.
Let's see what it have to.
Okay, Ron, let's see what it got turned. It turned to which color? Green. You can fill the color in diamond if you want. So it turned to green. So cyan and yellow mix. Cyan and yellow gives you
Green.
green color. Now we'll see cyan and magenta. So add 9 drops of cyan.
This one? This one?
Yeah. 9 drops of cyan.
Wait, 1, 2. How many?
3 drops.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
1 drop of magenta. Okay.
Drop.
Now put the cap. So it gives you which color? Let's see.
Black. Let's see.
It gives
Blue.
dark blue color.
Whoa. Dark blue. I really like dark blue.
Really like dark blue?
Yeah.
Okay.
It is my favorite color
Oh, why it is your favorite color?
because I learned in swimming pool. It was my favorite color.
Oh, because water is in blue color?
Yeah.
Okay. On. Add 7 drops of magenta and 3 drops of cyan. Let's see. Come.
So what?
7 drops.
And what?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay.
2,
1 more.
3.
Enough.
No, it's blue. Look, it's blue. Or purple. Or see.
Do it. It became purple.
Wow.
Wow, it's so cool, right?
Yeah, but we didn't use that yet. But it's okay.
So here we are done with all the colors, with the parts: red, orange, green, dark blue and purple. I hope you like this video, children. Take care. If you like our video, please give us a big thumbs up and keep like, share and subscribe to our channel. Take care. Bye bye.